Would I get either of these again? Hell yeah, in a heartbeat. I loved both so far. I'm gonna go take off the asparagus, run inside, and nibble this down. All right, today we have the halibut with the butter on top. And here we have the pollock. It's got some type of seasoning on it. I'm gonna cook these in my tavala and do a taste test. So wait around and find out. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to try the pollock first. It's like these little chicken nuggets, but it's fish. It smells really good. When I was downstairs cooking, my son goes, "Something smells really good." So he did try one of these and he liked it. Now it's my turn. Wow. There is a lot of flavor going on there. I don't know if I've ever had pollock before, but wow, that is really good. I was actually very skeptical of this one because they were cut up in like little chicken nuggets. I was like, what type of fish is this? Whew, that is a flavor bomb in my mouth. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the halibut now. The halibut had a lemon herb seasoning on top. You can see the herb and you see the butter seasoning with the lemon. Definitely has an herb lemon flavor to it, or smell to it. So, bon appetit. Holy lemon. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's a very lean fish, and it's going to help out with my weight loss journey, that's for sure. But between these two, I'm going to give it to the halibut. It was really good, very lean. The pollock would be like a perfect appetizer. These like bite size, have a few toothpicks around so people can just pick them up and eat them. I'll probably get both of them again. I really like that halibut though, with that butter on top. So good. Hey guys, it's me again. I got some sablefish with miso marinade. Traditional Japanese miso. Broils in 10 minutes. Looks pretty good.